This is Fun with Electronics Project 4, Part 4 BI, where we ask AI to generate to design a circuit with the same behavior as circuit 4. So uh, here here I did a prompt. Here's a prompt, and here are the results. Here's a schematic. And for this AI part, we're using a 555 timer. And here are the timing design examples and some additional information. And yeah, so here's a circuit and hardware. So let's connect this and see what it gives us. All right, so we're using 9 volts as a power supply. Let's turn it on. All right, as you can see, there's no blinking. The LED is maintaining on its high state. There's no switching. And as you can see, there's this voltage drop around 6 volts. So there could be some loading happening in the circuit. So yeah, so this shows that for this part, AI was unsuccessful. Yeah.